我係 Judy 劉老師，我哋去到外國想問路嘅時候應該點問呢？好啦，咁今日咧我哋就研究咧有10種方法去問路嘅。好，第一句 Excuse me， 咁 excuse 咧係講一個借口或者藉口喎，咁點解會 excuse me 咧？哦，原來唔係呢個意思，個意思就係話咧要引起他人嘅注意啊，個意思就係話打擾一下。Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest clinic？ 個意思就係話，打擾一下，你可唔可以話俾我聽咧？最近嘅診所喺邊度啊？好，第二個啦 ，Pardon me， 其實咧呢個咧就係同 excuse me 類似噃。咁呢個意思咧就係話打擾一下，請原諒咁嘅意思喎。好 ，Pardon me, I'm lost. Can you show me the way to the railway station？打擾一下，我迷咗路啊！你可唔可以講俾我聽咧？去火車站嗰條路係點樣去咧？咁啦，第三個講法 ，Sorry to bother you， 佢嘅意思就係話，唔好意思啊，打擾下你。好啦，咁 Sorry to bother you，but do you know where the city library is？ 好抱歉打擾你啊！你知唔知道咧嗰個市嘅圖書館喺邊度呢？好，第四種辦法就係話 May I ask you a question？ 個意思就係話我可唔可以問你一個問題啊？咁意思啦，即係話禮貌咁徵求對方請佢哋幫手喎。May I ask you a question? I am trying to find a shopping mall. Can you help me？ 佢嘅意思就係話我可唔可以問你一個問題啊？我而家喺度揾緊嗰個購物中心喎，你可唔可以幫一幫我手呢？好啦，第5個講法啦噃，就係 Hello, I wonder if you could help me。呢個咩意思啊？就係話咧，我好想知道咧，你能唔能夠幫下我呢？嗱，呢個講法咧係比較婉轉嘅噃，咁咧但係亦都非常之適合咧，愛嚟問路嘅。Hello, I wonder if you could help me.I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. Can you tell me where it is? 你好，我想知道你可唔可以幫一幫我手啫？我而家喺度揾緊最近嘅公交站，你可唔可以話俾我聽咧？佢喺邊度啊？好，咁咧第6條嘞噃，第6條咧就係 Good morning. I'm a bit confused here. 呢個口語啦，佢咧係用一個問候嘅辦法開始對話。點解要咁問啊？就係因為咧要營造一個友好啲、一個 friendly 嘅氣氛啊嘛。然後咧再表明自己處於一個困惑嘅狀態啊。咁咧，然後咧好自然就引出嗰個問路嗰個需求啦。好，成句説話點講啊 ？Good morning, Good morning, I'm a bit confused here. Could you direct me to the nearest subway station？ 佢話：早晨，我有少少迷咗路啊，你能唔能夠話俾我聽咧？最近嘅嗰個地鐵入口喺邊度咧 ？All right， 跟住第7個咯，Hi, I hope I'm not disturbing you, but 呢個講法就係用 Hi 一個輕鬆嘅開頭啦。咁咧，盡量希望唔好打擾對方嘅心情，然後順勢咧就問路啦。咁顯得咧又親切，但係又有禮貌。好啦，點講咧 ？Hi, I hope I'm not disturbing you, but I'm trying to find the art museum. Do you know how I can get there? Do you know how I can get there? 就話希望冇打擾到你喎，我而家揾緊嗰個美術館啊，你知唔知道我應該點樣行過去呢？好，第7咯，就係話 I'm so sorry to interrupt, but 咁呢個咧直接就係表達歉意啦。I'm sorry 啊嘛，係咪？咁咧，然後咧就講啦，唔好意思啊，我而家問你咧，可能係打擾咗你或者打斷咗你嘅思路喎。咁呢個意思其實即係話表達自己嘅禮貌啦。咁個例句就係咁啦。I'm so sorry to interrupt, but I've been looking for the park for ages. Can you give me some directions？ 佢話：非常抱歉打擾你啊！我喺呢度周圍揾個公園揾咗好耐啦，都揾唔到。你可唔可以指條路俾我啊？好，第9個辦法啦。Hi there, I'm new in town and 咁 Hi there 就係一個好隨和嘅打招呼嘅方式啦，係咪？咁咧跟住就講啦，就話：我自己初嚟報到啊，唔熟路。咁咧就即係比較真係好似好親切咁嘅一種講法啦，係嘛？希望同對方咧就拉近個距離啦。嗱，個例句就咁啦。Hey there, I'm new in town and I'm desperately trying to find a grocery store. Any idea where one is? 即係話，你好啊，我初嚟報到啊，而家正在咧係啊，好努力咁啊，好搏命咁想揾到一間雜貨店買啲嘢。你知唔知道邊度有一間咁樣嘅鋪頭呢？咁啦，好，第10亦都係今日最後嘅例句就係話 I hate to trouble you, but 嗱，咁呢個意思咧就係話咯，我唔想俾你一啲麻煩喎，但係咧又冇辦法，冇其他辦法啦，所以咧一定要求助咁嘅意思噃，就希望對方體諒啦。好，成個例句係點㗎？就係話 I hate to trouble you, but I seems to have lost my way. Could you point me towards the bus station? 個意思就話：真係唔係好想麻煩你喎，但係我咧真係好似迷咗路咁啊！你可唔可以話俾我聽咧？嗰個汽車站咧應該點樣行㗎？應該點樣行先去得到嘅汽車站啊？咁意思係咪？哇！所以咧，單純係問路咧，都已經有10種唔同嘅方式喎。嗱，咁啊，基本上嚟講咧，有長有短，雅俗共賞。咁所以咧，就係咪啊？呢一方面咧，就配合翻自己嗰個需求咧去問啦。咁但係無論如何啦，大家都係咁話，就一定要多啲練習啦。咁咧，旅行之前咧，都已經可以喺屋企練習啦。同同學練習，同朋友仔，同屋企人練習下，咁去到出邊嘅時候，自然咧可以一開口咧就能夠問到出嚟。希望大家旅途愉快啊！OK，下一次再見。